We will present our analysis of Grupo Nutresa S.A. through the lens on the ACCA Business and Technology Framework. Our objective is to show how a Colombian company aligns with international standards, becoming a bridge between local business reality and global best practice. Authors: Carla Torres, Lina Casallas, Nicolás Curcho, y Joana Moreno. We will begin by presenting the objectives of the study. Second, we will explain the ACCA theoretical framework. Third, we will present the profile of Grupo Nutresa. Then we will analyze the Colombian context using a PESTEL framework. After, we will examine the case study and evaluate the international standards. Finally, we will share our recommendations and conclusions. Introduction. The Colombian food sector represents between 21–33% of the manufacturing PIB. Grupo Nutresa is the most representative case of alignment with ACCA international standards in the sector. Nutresa operates in 40 countries and reaches more than 72 nations. This makes Nutresa a bridge between Colombian business reality and international standards promoted by ACCA. Our study focuses on how Nutresa applies this standard and what lessons can be learned of the Colombian business context. The ACCA framework is built on five pillars: 1. Business organizations; 2. Accounting system; 3. Corporate governance; 4. Professional ethics and CSR; 5. Business technology. Grupo Nutresa was founded in 1920, which means it has more than a century of experience of the food industry. It operates around 8 business units and employs over 47,000 people, making it one of the largest employers in Colombia. Sales. In terms of financial performance, the company reported sales of 20.6 trillion Colombian pesos, showing its strong market presence. Grupo Nutresa is listed on the Colombian Stock Exchange, and its auditor is PwC, which ensures transparency and accountability.
Starting with the organizational structure, Grupo Nutresa operates as a multi-divisional organization utilizing 8 autonomous strategic business units to manage specialized consumer markets, according to the 2025 organizational structure. The model balances a top-tier tall hierarchy for strategic control with a decentralized flat approach at the business unit level, supported by Servicios Nutresa for shared service and over 300,000 million Colombian pesos in efficiency savings. Compared with other competitors such Colombina and Alpina, Nutresa demonstrates a high level of organizational integration and scalability. Regarding to external environment, we conduct the PESTEL analysis of Colombia. Politically, the company operates in an environment of regulatory uncertainty and ongoing reforms. Economically, moderate gross domestic product growth and inflation continue to affect consumer purchasing power. Socially, food insecurity remains an important challenge. Technologically, digitalization and food tech innovations are transforming the industry. Environmentally, Sustainability has become a strategic priority. Finally, legally, increasing regulation requires strong compliance systems. Moving to the corporate governance, Grupo Nutresa demonstrates a highly mature governance framework. Its board of directors consists of 5 members supported by 4 specialized committees and ethics committee. In 2024, it managed 507 reports and 151 confirmed contract terminations without material damage to the company. And the company also has adopted more than 90% of recommendation of the Colombian Corporate Governance Code and operates risk through the Global COSO Enterprise Risk Management Framework. In the technology and digitalization area, Nutresa has implemented SAP ERP across all business units and established a dedicated digital strategy vice presidency. The company currently serves more than 132,000 digital customers and generates approximately 8% of its sales through digital channels. However, one opportunity for improvement is accelerating digital sales to achieve its target of 20% by 2030. Concerning accounting systems and international financial reporting application, Grupo Nutresa prepare its financial statements under full international financial reporting standards and use integrated accounting systems supported by SAP technology. The company is audited by PricewaterhouseCoopers, one of the world's leading audit firms, which strengthens transparency, reliability, and stakeholder confidence. Compared with many competitors, Nutresa demonstrates a very high level of accounting maturity. Ethics and corporate social responsibility represents another major strength. The company manages a comprehensive ethics program supported by its ethics line and governance committees. Socially, invest heavily in education, nutrition, health, and employee development. Environmentally, 88% of its energy comes from renewable source, and it has ambitious decarbonization and circular economy targets. Grupo Nutresa maintains a premier position in the Colombian food sector for ESG and social responsibility, although it faces key competitive challenges from local peers, Alpina and Colombina, in environmental perception and technical global scores, while Alpina holds a stronger perception in environmental management and Colombina leads slightly in S&P Global's 2026 sustainability evaluation. Nutresa excels as the top-ranked food company for talent attraction and as the largest formal employer according to Merco 2024 to 2025 data. This position illustrates competitive benchmarking where Nutresa serves as the overall leader while identifying performance gaps in environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factor. Based on the ACC evaluation framework, we can see that Nutresa Group demonstrates an advanced level of maturity in most of the dimensions analyzed. The company successfully integrates governance, technology, ethics, financial management, and sustainability into a coherent business strategy. Nevertheless, we identify several recommendations. Accelerate digital sales growth, expand digitalization across the supply chain, strengthen ESG communication, develop formal artificial intelligence governance framework, increase diversity at board level, and continue investing in a climate resilience and supplier digitalization. In conclusion, the analysis of the Grupo Nutresa under ACCA standards confirms a solid alignment with international practices, highlighting a superior financial performance in 2025 with 20.6 trillion Colombian pesos in sales, driven by the One Nutresa strategic transformation and the adoption of frameworks like TCFD. However, critical sustainability and operational gaps are identified, especially the increase of the LTAFR from 3.80 to 6.05 and a lag in digital sales, 8% versus a 20% target, along with unethical tension in the informal distribution chain currently under investigation by the Minister of Labor.